Apathy Hair Growth Serum Review. Are you struggling with thinning hair, breakage, or weak roots? Let's talk about Apathy Hair Growth Serum, a nourishing formula designed to restore, strengthen, and revive your hair naturally. So what makes this serum stand out? It's packed with powerful ingredients like biotin for stronger strands, niacinamide to improve scalp circulation, caffeine extract to stimulate follicles, and hydrating elements like hyaluronic acid and botanical oils, including argan, rosemary, and castor. Together, they help reduce hair fall, strengthen follicles, and add shine for a healthier look. The formula is lightweight and non-greasy, so you can use it daily without buildup. It works by improving blood flow to your scalp, supporting keratin production, and keeping your scalp hydrated. All key factors for stronger, fuller hair. Using it is simple. Just apply a few drops directly onto your scalp, massage gently for a couple of minutes, and leave it in. Daily use, especially at night, gives the best results. But here's the catch. Like most hair treatments, consistency is key. Visible changes may take 8 to 12 weeks of regular use. Pair it with a healthy diet, proper hydration, and stress management for even better results. Now, before you buy, keep these points in mind. Always purchase from a verified, secure website. Look for real customer reviews and before and after photos. Check the refund policy in case the product doesn't work for you. And of course, if you're dealing with medical hair loss conditions, consult a dermatologist before relying on serums alone. So, is Apathy Hair Growth Serum worth it? If you're looking for a natural, non-invasive way to support stronger, healthier hair, this serum could be the boost your scalp needs. Start with one bottle, track your results over a few weeks, and decide if it's the right fit for your hair journey.